Good morning, gurus. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin selling off a little bit because of Mt. Gox distributed their tokens. So Mt. Gox has fully distributed their tokens to Kraken. What else happened? Yesterday, the Ethereum ETF opened. They sold $1 billion worth of volume on the Ethereum ETFs. However, Grayscales was just selling their Ethereum like they did their Bitcoin on the ETF open, and not much of a pump because the Grayscale was selling into the buyers. You can see Bitcoin sitting at 65,972, came down to 65,500. Double top at 68,000 was correct, and now we pulled back to 68,500. Still heading up though, and still a big amount of volume. Fear and greed index now is 69, sitting at greed. Funding fee 0.01, Bitcoin sitting there. Not super beautiful right now. Big drop from yesterday. This was last night. In the 15-minute charts, we double top at 68,200, pulled back, spiked to 64, and then fell down to 65,946. Tesla also having a big sell-off today. After the earnings, yesterday was down 2%. After the earnings, 10% drop. Sorry, 8% drop, so a total drop of 10%, which was brutal for Tesla holders. However, I bought at 141, and I want to add more at 200 if it pulls back to there. 241, I'm not adding more. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And again, you can see Tesla 2% down and 10% after hours. Big, huge drop, but not coming down to my 200 area to buy more. Bitcoin making a lower high here on the daily, turning down, double tops, weekly turning down as well. And lower high on the weekly. Look at that. 1 week high, lower high, and this one was also a lower high. Stochastic turning down as well. Crypto Guru bought still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023, hasn't fired a red sell. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy off that support line. We're still above the 1 year trend line, which is good news. But Stochastic on the weekly is pulling back. On the daily, Stochastic double topped. What are we seeing? First impulse wave we're having right now. Quite a big move from there. We got to 68,500, pulled back to 65,800. I mean, we're still in this channel, but you can see this channel from bouncing between 73, 53, and it made a lower high just now. Stochastic double top on the daily. Yesterday was correct to sell on that double top Stochastic. 4 hourly oversold. Very similar pattern to here. If we do a short-term Elliott wave count, first impulse, corrective, second, to short-term. I see inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulders forming. It looks like a big inverse head and shoulders. We are on the first wave impulse. If this is the corrective wave, it will pull back to... I would still keep the trade that I had yesterday, 64,498. That is the strong support. Yesterday I opened it when we were at 68,200. Now it's come down to 64. My trade is 64,498. Stop loss 63,842. Take profit 88. If that does pull back, that would be the end of the first wave, but that's not yet confirmed. Let's go into the hourly. Yeah, rounding top. Pull back, quite strong one on those Mt. Gox sales. 68, pull back to 65. Yeah, I would keep the trade at the same, 64,498. That was the trade I had yesterday. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, go underneath the video. In the description, you'll find the link to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. Also, take the Crypto Master Course to learn all this, and the Stock Guru Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com, $333 for the courses, and join us in the Telegram. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade would have dropped off from yesterday. It was $40,000 in the profits, now sitting at 29,376. So pull back about 10K, up 72%. It's a $267,000 Bitcoin trade. And the funding fee right now is sitting at 0.01. So the funding fees are charging me now. This account 583. This week was the low was 579, came to 611, and then pulled back to 598. So quite a big drop from that top, almost a 30K drop from the top right now. So we got to, let's check out the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. 2.3 trillion. Go into the weekly charts first. Above the 1 year trend line, very big bull flag I still see. Paul on the, this is the total market cap of all cryptos. Bullish pennant. Looks like a giant bullish pennant. The stochastic rebounded very quickly. Still looks like a giant bullish pennant. If that bullish pennant plays out and we measure the base of this bull flag, the target of this bull flag would be 3.5 trillion. I mean, guys, keep in mind that this is the total market cap of all crypto. Also, what I see is a giant cup and handle, massive cup and handle. And if that plays out on crypto, the target of the total market cap for all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, the market cap total would be four trillion. 4 trillion, everyone. These are some of your comments from yesterday. Pepe, no intro, please. It looks more like a descending wedge. Bro, you're the best. Keep it up. Good work. Thanks. Thank you very much. What is the future of Binance Exchange? It's very secure, Binance Exchange. Now, they paid their fines. CZ's out of jail. It's the biggest exchange in the world, but I use Bybit more for trading. James is the best. Thank you. From UK, following you from 2021. Awesome from the UK. What do you think about World? There is big unlocks happening in the world, but I do have quite a big position on World, and I think it's quite oversold. Pakistan, everyone share where you're from. Pakistan, from Kazakhstan. I've learned so much since August 2021. Thank you very much. 2 years from Tajikistan. Cool, from Ghana. People all over the world. Uniswap, Chris from California. Welcome, Chris. Rockets. Bitcoin Cash Guru. Thank you. Please talk. Okay, let's do World quickly because a lot of people requesting World. I'm in World, but there is some big unlocks happening on World apparently starting. So be cautious of that. Volume spike a lot the week before off the bottom, but the buy area, like strong supports for buys, are at little bull market finished on that rebound, huh? We've got one buy area at $1.80 and another strong buy area at $1.40. That's where I would buy World, guys. These are my buy areas for going long. And one more down here. Be cautious because if these unlocks are big, it can push it down with selling pressure if the market turns bad. You guys also asked for Uniswap. I have big position of Uniswap. Ooh, I straight away see a bigger pattern here. Something like this forming on Uniswap. Oh, this looks amazing on the weekly charts. This is a long-term one. Whoa, guys. This is a massive symmetrical triangle, a descending triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out 70% of the move to the base of the triangle. So Uniswap is about to have some crazy breakout. I think I have quite good position on Uniswap. Target would be $18. This is when the ETFs are opening. So I think a lot of the money will move first into Uniswap after the Ethereum ETF. Nice target for for Uniswap. There's also a big resistance here at $12. Which is beautiful. Again, all the links are down below. Thank you all for your comments. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Let me know where you're from, how long you've been following me, your trades. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Congratulations on anyone who's just been trading with me on these videos for free since 2021, or any of my students, 2020, or any of my students have taken my courses over the last, since 2013 on Twitter and things like this. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.